Welcome dudes and dudettes. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can get stock images from stock picture pages that are in a specific color. So not all of the pages that are available have that functionality. For example, Unsplash is generally a bit weird with whatever pictures it's offering, or the search function in general is a bit different than the other ones. So if you're going to look for something in particular, like a flower, you don't really have a lot of extra functions to say I want it in a specific color. But for example, on Pixabay, who is also that's a page that is also offering free stock images, you can do that. For example, you're looking for flowers, but you want your branding is maybe not pink and you want like purple flowers, for example. You see in that bar underneath the search bar, there are different kinds of things that you can adjust to specify your search. So for example, you rather want like turquoise flowers, let's just say that. And you can click on go, and then you will get images that kind of have at least some turquoise in it, for example. Obviously on free stock image pages that's always a bit difficult because the sample is already smaller. What you can also do is change, for example, the orientation, which is pretty neat, depending on where you need the picture for or what you need the picture for, and also like categories. That's something you can adjust your search function at. But there are other pages who are way more specific with your color, where you can also enter your hex code. One of those is Adobe Stock, so it's stock.adobe.com, and when you first reach the page, you go here and you see how it is, and you can then search for flower, which is probably the last thing I would ever search, but that's the first thing that came to my mind. And here you can see view filters. You can click on here and that will open that box on the side. So again, on that part you can specify what you're looking for. Scroll a bit further down and you will see then that pretty far, like at the bottom, you see color here, and here you can enter your hex code, for example. So mine is, my purple is this, right? So 61 blah blah blah, and you click on enter, and then it will show you images that have some part of it is in the same purple that I've chosen. So there you can be more specific about your hex code branding colors. On other pages, for example, Shutterstock, that's also a page where you have to pay for your images. You can have a bigger range of color search functionality. For example, there are a few more, so that's just black and white. There are a few more shades than on the free one of Pixabay, for example. And on deposit photos, same here. And you can scroll down. Again, you have that horizontal, landscape, portrait, square mode. And there, if you click on color, there is an even bigger prism, whatever. A bigger variety of colors that you can choose from, even though you can't enter your hex code. But it won't always be specifically that, but at least you can try and narrow your search down. Istock is similar. Let's just enter it here. If we search for a flower again, which I would never use, you can click on refine here, and again scroll further down, you can see color, and here you can also enter the hex code, and you will see images that have your color in it, or would at least fit in some parts or at some point. Maybe flower is a bit problematic to search. Let's search for laptop. That's way more something that I would use. Again, you will see there's a laptop on it, and there are purple elements of the color. There are elements of the color that I have searched for. So yeah, that was it for this week. I hope it was helpful, and see you again next time. Bye. That's it for today. So if you've liked this video and it was helpful at all, give me a thumbs up or give me a few comments below. Or you can subscribe to my channel, but I'm not sure where it is. So maybe It's a red button, has a bell on it, so click the bell and follow my channel. Thanks for watching and see you soon.